Hello children, welcome back to my channel. I have done 2 marks, 4 marks problems of applications of trigonometry. Now I am doing 6 marks. So the first problem says a man observes the top of a tower at an angle of elevation of 30 degrees. When he walked 40 meters towards the tower, the angle of elevation changed to 60 degrees. Find the height of the tower and the distance from the first observer to the tower. So this is the tower AB. Consider it as a tower, and a person here is observing what the top of the tower, and this top of the tower he found that it is how many degrees? 30 degrees. Then what he did, he has walked 40 meters up to here. Let me call this as D. 40 meters he has walked towards the tower. Then he found that angle of elevation got changed to 60 degrees. So this elevation got changed to 60 degrees. Now the question is, find the height of the tower. Height is how much? And total distance from the first point. This is how much. So let me consider this as x meters. Now, when you talk about triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. So in this, tan 30 degrees, this is 30 degrees, is equal to AB by BC from here to here. See. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to AB is h by BC is how much children? 40 plus x. So root 3h is 40 plus x. Then what is h? 40 plus x by root 3. Leave this as it is. Now let us go to another triangle. Other triangle here is ABD. In triangle ABD, angle B is 90 degrees. So here the angle of elevation is 60. So tan 60 is equal to AB by this distance, that is BD. Tan 60 is root 3. AB is h by BD is x. From B to D, the distance is taken as x. So what is h? Root 3x. So here h is 40 plus x by root 3. Here h is root 3x. Both of them LHS are same. Therefore, what we will be saying? 40 plus x by root 3 is equal to root 3x. Now on cross multiplication, 40 plus x is root 3 into root 3 is 3x. So 40 is equal to 3x minus x means 2x is equal to 40. So when 2x you have got as 40, x is equal to 40 by 2, that is 20. X is 20. So we want BC. What is BC? Distance is 40 plus x, 40 plus 20, 60 meters. And another question is h. What is h? H is equal to root 3x. That means root 3 into 20, that is 20 root 3 meters. So these are the two answers for this problem, children. Please write down. You have got h value, you have got bc value. Please note down. Next, we will see what is seconds. Now, the second sum is the angle of elevation of the top of the hill. The angle of elevation of the top of the hill from the foot of a tower is, from the foot of a tower is 60 degrees, and the angle of elevation and the angle of elevation of the tower from the foot of the hill is 30 degrees. From the foot of the hill is 30 degrees. If the tower is 50 meters high, if the tower is 50 meters high, find the height of the hill. Find the height of the hill. This is the question, children. What does the question says? The question says that the angle of elevation of a hill from the foot of a tower. So you have two observations. One is a hill and another one is a tower. Naturally, the size of the hill will be more. So let me consider hill, they said first also. AB is hill and CD is tower. Now, the angle of elevation of the hill from the foot of a tower is 60 degrees. From the foot of a tower, the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. And the angle of elevation of the tower from the foot of the hill is 30 degrees. So from the foot of the hill, this tower, this angle, this is 30 degrees. Now, if the tower is 50 meters high, tower height is 50 meters. Find the height of the hill. What is the height of the hill they are asking? Now, here you have got two triangles. Now, first we will talk about triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, angle B is 90 degrees. Now, tan 60 degrees is equal to AB by DB. If the tower is 50 meters high, this distance they have not given anything. Let us consider this distance as x meters. Okay. Tan 60 is root 3. AB is h by dB is x. So what is h? Root 3x. Now we go to another triangle. In triangle BCD. In triangle BCD, angle D is equal to 90 degrees. So, tan 30 degrees is equal to CD by BD. Tan 30 means 1 by root 3 is equal to CD is how much? We have given 50 by x. So, what can we do? Cross multiplication. X is equal to x is equal to 50 root 3. Root 3 into 50, 50 root 3. Now, you want h value. What is h value? Root 3x. That means root 3 into x is 50 root 3. That means 50 into root 3 into root 3. 50 into 3, 150 meters. Therefore, height of the hill is equal to 150 meters. This is the answer, children. This is the second problem. Now we will see the third problem. Please copy this. Two boys on either sides of their school building. Two boys on either sides of their school building of 20 meters high, of 20 meters height. Observe its top. Observe its top at the angles of elevation 60 degrees, 30 degrees and 60 degrees. 30 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. Find the distance between the two boys? This is the question. There is a school building, and on either sides of the school building, the two children are standing. Let AB is the school building. And what is the height? They said height of the school building is 20 meters. So this height is 20 meters. So a person is here, a person is here. So these two people are seeing the angle of elevations as one is 30 degrees, elevation of the top 30 degrees, and another one is 60 degrees. Now the question is, let us consider this as first boy is standing here and second boy is standing here. They have said respectively one is first. So here I should take 30 degrees, I should take first boy, and here I should take second boy. Okay. Now we need to find out the distance between these two. Let us consider the distance between B and C is x meters and B and D is y meters. If you add x and y, you are going to get the required answer. So first, let us take triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degrees. So tan 60 degrees is AB by BC. AB by BC. What is tan 60? Root 3. AB is 20 by BC is x. So root 3x is 20. X is equal to 20 by root 3. On rationalizing the denominator, what am I getting? 20 by root 3 can be written as 20 root 3 by root 3 into root 3. That is 20 root 3 by 3. This is the distance between X, B and C. Now let us say another triangle. Triangle ABD. In triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, angle B is 90 degrees. So this is 30 degrees. This is 30 degrees means tan 30 degrees is AB by BD. Tan 30 degrees is AB by BD. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3 is equal to AB is 20 by BD is Y. That means Y is equal to 20 root 3. So X plus Y is equal to 20 root 3 by 3 plus 20 root 3. So how much are you getting here, children? 3 is LCM. 20 root 3 plus 60 root 3 means 80 root 3 by 3 meters is the distance. So distance between the boys is equal to 80 by 3 root 3 meters. This is the answer, children. Please copy it. Now, let us see the next problem. This is third. Now, fourth one. So, from the top of a tower, from the top of a tower of 50 meters high, Neha observes the angle of depression of the top and foot, of another building to be 45 and 60 degrees respectively. Find the height of the building. Find the height of the building. What is that? From the top of a tower, Neha observes the angle of depression of the top and bottom of a building. So there is a tower. And there is a building. Okay. AB is the tower. CD is the building. Okay, from the top of the tower 50 meters high. So the tower height is 50 meters. Neha observed the angle of depression of the top and foot of another building. So from here, Neha observed, so depression means I need to draw a line like this. After drawing a line, the top, this is angle of depression for the top of a building, and here angle of depression to the bottom. Here also you need to join. A, B, C, D, let me call this as E. So what did they say? The angle of depression of the top and foot is 45. Top is 45. So this is 45 degrees. That means here it is 45 degrees. And foot is this. That means this whole thing is 60 degrees. That means this angle is 60 degrees. Alternate angles. Now let me consider this is x meters. This distance. If this distance is x meters, this becomes 50 minus x meters because total length is 50. So AE is 50 minus x meters. And since triangle AEC is a right angled and isosceles triangle, because 45 degrees is here, this is 90, means definitely here also 45 degrees you will be getting. That means whatever is this side, this also will be the same side. That means this is also 50 minus x meters. If this is 50 minus x meters, this can also be considered as 50 minus x meters. Now you need to find out what is the height of the building. Height of the building means this and this will be same. So height of the building is x meters. That is how much. Now let us take triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, angle B is 90 degrees. So here 60 degrees. So tan 60 degrees is nothing but AB by BD. AB by BD. Now, what is tan 60? Root 3 is AB. What is AB? 50 by what is BD? BD is 50 minus x. So that means root 3 into 50 minus x is equal to 50. So 50 root 3 minus root 3x is equal to 50. Means 50 root 3 minus 50 is equal to root 3x. Now, what is this? You can take 50 as common. Root 3 minus 1 is equal to root 3x. So, what is x, children? X is equal to 50 into root 3 minus 1 by root 3. X is nothing but h. Therefore, h is equal to 50 into root 3 minus 1 by root 3 meters. This is the answer for this problem, children. Please copy it. This is fourth problem. Now, fifth sum. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meters and 9 meters from the base of the tower. From the base of the tower. And the same straight and on the same straight line. Straight line with it are complementary. Are complementary. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meters. The angle of elevation of top and elevation of the top of the tower from 2 points. There is a tower. So AB is a tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from 2 points. Let me take one point C, one point D. From these 2 points, the angle of elevations. This is 1. This is 2. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meters and 9 meters from the base of the tower. So this distance you consider as 4 meters and this distance is 9 meters. 4 meters and 9 meters from the base of the tower and on the same straight line. They are on the same straight line with it are complementary. Complementary means the angle of elevations are complementary. So what is given to us? The angle of elevations are complementary. Complementary means if angle ADB is equal to x degrees, then angle ACB will be equal to 90 minus x degrees because sum of these two is 90 degrees. Complementary they said no, so these two if you add, see there is a tower from 2 points, the angle of elevations are taken. Where are the 2 points? One is 4 meters away from the base and another one is 9 meters away from the base. So these two angle of elevations are complementary. Complementary means the sum of these two angles are 90 degrees. Sum of two angles is 90 degrees. So if I consider one as x degrees, the other one will be 90 minus x. Now let me take triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. So tan 90 minus x is equal to AB by BC. What is AB? It is nothing but height. So tan 90 minus x is equal to h by 9 because BC is 9. Tan 90 minus x is cot x. Cot x is equal to h by 9. If cot x is h by 9, what is tan x? 9 by h. Leave it like this. Now we go to another triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, angle B is 90 degrees. So tan x degrees is equal to AB by BD. AB by BD. So tan x degrees is equal to H by BD is 4. So both of them are tan x's only. So 9 by H is equal to H by 4. Means H square is equal to 9 4s are 36. So what is H, children? Root 36, 36. Therefore H is equal to 6 meters. We have proved it in this way. They have asked to prove that H is equal to 6 degrees, 6 meters. We have proved that height is equal to 6 meters. Please copy this, children. With this, I am going to conclude today's topic. In the next class, I will be doing next 6 mark sums.